Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today I've got a casting which is very interesting. It's not a new casting, it's definitely a recolor, re-release, what you wanna say. It's a custom 53 Cadillac. It's a mainline casting, but it grabbed my attention, so I have to get this one. It's basically a truck based on a Cadillac, but it's not a regular production. It looks like that. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the custom 53 Cadillac out of its box, and the first thing you will notice, it looks like somebody shifted the roof from a old 53 Cadillac to this first row. So it might have been this done in the same way, where they cut the roof and moved it. The first one made a bed out of it, like a El Camino back then. But paint on this one truly looks custom, and the car obviously looks custom. I'm gonna start from the front. So in the front, you can see it looks like a Cadillac sedan basically. You've got the chrome grille, chrome bumper, you've got this big hood, round headlamps. Obviously they're not painted. No mirrors, because it's an older casting and Hot Wheels really did mirrors back then. But you do get this custom kind of paint, like paint strips done on it. It looks really good. Now coming to the driver's side, you can see, obviously because it's made into truck, so it's a two-door, and you have got a bench inside, cream interior, white wall wheels, which were very classy back then. Actually, some of the cars even today, if you do white walls, they might look good. I'm not sure, they might. You do get this chrome feature on the side, and I love the design where the wheels are like hidden inside. And it looks like you can open it from here, I guess. You do get the same shark fin finish on the rear end as you get on a sedan, I guess. Now, the really custom part about this is this bed. And you got this, I think those are called, I don't know what those race of cars is called, I can't remember, but it's a small race car. And it's their bed there. So somebody maybe who was super rich got this Cadillac customized to its race car in it. You can see the rear window, how curved it is, how big it is. It's not like your usual truck. It's actually. Now, coming to the rear, again, chrome bumper, and you can see it's still the tailgate, or whatever you want to say. It still looks exactly like how you cut a trunk and just leave the front part of it. No tail lamp details here, but it still looks good. I say it looks good. If you can add tail lamp details if you're good at it, and I think it will look really good. You know what I should do? Maybe get another one and get rid of all this custom paint. I'm not really good at it, but I think if you can do a custom on this custom, like your personal custom, black it out and lower, even have like new style wheels, add some mirrors, I think it's gonna look even better. But as a mainline, I think it looks really good. Obviously needs some more painted details, but even well that it's actually a custom piece. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.